If you've ever wanted to design professional-looking icons directly in PowerPoint without downloading anything extra, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create stunning editable icons in PowerPoint in just 16 seconds. And once you learn this, you'll never look at PowerPoint the same way again. Let's get started. First, head over to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Look for the Icons button and click it. PowerPoint has a built-in library of thousands of modern, professional icons. You can either browse through the categories or use the search bar to quickly find exactly what you need. Once you've found the perfect icon, simply click Insert and it will appear on your slide. Here's the real trick. By default, icons are flat and not editable, but we're going to change that. Right-click the icon you just inserted and choose Convert to Shape. In an instant, PowerPoint will break the icon into editable pieces. This is where the magic happens. Now you can customize every single part of your icon. Want to change the color of just one section? Simply click on it and use the Fill tool to apply any color you like. You can create multicolor designs, highlight specific areas, or match your brand colors effortlessly. If your icon is made of multiple parts, you can select them all, right-click, and group them together. Grouping allows you to move, resize, or rotate the entire icon while keeping your custom edits intact. The result? A fully editable, professional-grade icon that looks like it was designed in a graphic design program, but you did it all inside PowerPoint. And the best part? Once you know this method, you can apply it to as many icons as you want, giving your presentations a unique and polished look without wasting time searching for external graphics. So, the next time you want to wow your audience, remember this quick trick. In just a few clicks, you'll have eye-catching, customizable icons that perfectly fit your style. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out right away and see how creative you can get with your own slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.